Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. Today I will try to show you how we can connect Excel to a website to fetch data from the website. So directly Oracle will connect, and the good thing is, let's say on that source or website, if data is changed, in Excel you can just refresh, just right click refresh, it will again fetch the data and it will update the table. So I will show you now. Let's see, for example, I want to see how many total functions are there in Excel 2016. Okay, now for this I have this Microsoft link. On this link we have all the functions of Excel. See, if this is a table, right? So one way is I should select and copy there, but let's say, for example, if tomorrow this table is updated, I can't get, again I have to do the same manual activity. Instead of that, I will select this link. I will go to Excel, data, new query, other sources, and top from web. I will click this one. Okay, here I will paste that URL which I copied from the Microsoft site. Click OK. Okay, now it will connect to the Microsoft website and it will bring the data. Okay, now here you have to check in which, because let's say, for example, it is showing two tables, so I will first click the first table. So the functions are available in this table 0. You can edit here before loading, or you can just load. So I will load, and then any changes I will do in Excel itself, right? So here is the data. See, on the right side it is linked to that site. So later, if let it see, total there are 477. Okay, now if I click here and see on the top there is a refresh. So if I will click refresh, again data is getting loaded from the Microsoft website or any other site, whichever it is there. Okay, excellent. Now we have all the Excel functions available in 2016. Now let's say, for example, let's learn another thing here. So we have here, if you see here, math and trigonometry. So let me show you here. See, here we have different functions, different types of categories. There are different categories. See here. So what I will do, I need to have that category in a separate column, but unfortunately it is there with the description. So if you see, there is a colon after each category. So what I will do, I need to segregate category and description in a separate column. So I will select this whole column. I will go to data, and then I will click here text to columns. Okay, this is not fixed width, we will say delimited. So click next, and here remove this tab and click in other, and then here put this column. So if you see here down, it got segregated. So then I will do finish just straight away from here. Okay, now let me reduce the width of my columns. It should be let me put it 50. Okay, which you can further improve like this. Okay, see here we have segregated, and now let me move this to here. It will be description, Y here, CAT category, right? Okay, here we got another problem. There are spaces before our description. So now we have to remove this from the description. Okay, let me show you another function. I will put it here in the next column. I can find replace as well, but I'm just trying to show the usage of different functions. So let's see, there's a text. I'm going through all these. Let's see. Okay, See, there is a trim function. Removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. So I will click OK, and then I will say text, this one, right, and OK. But I think it is not removing. If I see here, let me go on the right side. See, these are not spaces. These are some special characters because we copied from online website. So what I will do, let me remove this function from here. Now what I will do, I will click in the first and I will select all these extra characters and Control C. Then escape, select the whole column, Control H and Control V. So I have pasted here and replace with no character. So means nothing. Replace all. See 417. But still there are some different characters here. So I will come here and I will select these as well, exactly the same length. And then I will click the C column and Control H. Sorry. Replace the existing, the whole, because they are already in the find. Okay. Replace all. Okay. Excellent. I think it's done. I don't think there is any data in this column. There is something. I don't know, in one or two columns it is there. A character string degrees. Okay, let me select this one. So what I will do, I will select this one, Control X. I will come here and space Control V. Excellent. Now done. So now this column is empty, so I will just delete it. I don't need it, right? And then I can increase a bit width here. Now these are the columns. Full name, function name, category and description. Now you can further filter over here on the category. If you see here, so let's say if I select on text, these are the text functions, right? What we'll do in the future videos, I will try to filter few important functions out of all these functions, which are day-to-day usable functions. So then I will make another video or multiple videos on those functions in order to understand. But at least today we got an understanding on text to column, how to separate the text from a single column into multiple columns. And then we linked our sheet to our online website, which is in this case Outlook. Sorry, Microsoft website. Okay. So here, let's say if this data is there, let's say for example, there is another example. If there is a website where you are having temperatures on daily basis or different basis, or forex rates or whatever, so you can link your Excel, you can refresh on daily basis or whatever whenever you want, and it will again fetch the data and your table will be updated. So this is how it was for your reference. I hope you like the video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get more such videos which are in the queue, inshallah. Thank you very much.